Look, if you're a sneakerhead, then you know the hardest part about fixing your shoes is putting the sneaker back together again. My name is Footprinse, and I want you to come join me on social media with the many other sneakerheads so you can learn reglue techniques and a whole lot more. We also have a sneaker class available. You can go on the page and check the reviews, and hopefully you'll make the decision to join our class. Also on the page, you can learn things like what a shoe lace is, how it's used. You'll see some airbrushing up there, branding techniques, and a whole lot more. I hope to see you there, and thank you for watching.